So today I'm going to show you how I make my fluffy pancakes. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed, and for those who have subscribed, thank you for the support. I really do appreciate. So you'll find the correct measurements of the ingredients in the description box. So I have water, cooking oil, flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, and eggs. So you're going to mix the dry ingredients first. I'm going to add in the flour, baking powder, sugar, salt. So whisk the dry ingredients. Now it's time to add in the wet ingredients. So I'm going in with the water, then the eggs, and finally the oil. Then whisk. So at this point you can add in the flavor of your choice. So there's a point where I did add orange flavor that I didn't show in this video, but I added orange flavor. So you can add a spice or flavor of your choice. So I oiled my pan because my pan isn't the non-sticky one. So if I had poured in the butter while it was hot, it could have stuck and it would be hard for me to remove it or flip it. So I did add the spread oil on my pan and then add in the butter, but that oil I'm using only for the first pancake. For the others, I'll not use oil on my pan. I'll be just cooking, and you'll see the difference between using the oil and not using the oil. So when I flip this pancake and then flip it back, you'll see the difference. Now you can see the difference. The other side, this side, has not cooked evenly, as in there's some bit of patches, but with the other side it has cooked like a cake. That is the difference between using oil and not using oil. So in this case, I'm going to just add in my butter without oiling the pan. Throughout my cooking, I've been using the heat at low. It is completely low. That way the pancake will cook in the inside, and the part that is on the pan will cook evenly. That is the secret to cooking pancakes. Or else if you use the heat on high, there's a probability that your pancakes won't cook inside, and it will burn the bottom part where it lies on the pan. It will burn before the inside cooks. So thank you for the support that you've been giving me throughout my videos. I do appreciate it so much. The support you give me gives me the willpower to continue doing more videos. So in this video, I'm using my half a cup measuring cup to pour in the butter. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, share, like. Let us meet in the comment section.